One of the amazing benefits of getting services at your home and having your therapist come to you is you don't have to run around town all week. I could not imagine between nap times and feed schedules and having other kids in sports traveling around that many times a week. I am a mom and a medical caregiver to our 8-month-old daughter, Hollyn, and I have a 7-year-old son named Cooper, and this is our home. We've been receiving occupational therapy services from Meg and speech and feeding therapy services from Megan. And their relationship with Hollyn is so amazing. It's like family, to be honest.
One of the goals that we had for Hollyn was to build up her oral motor muscles to increase her strength so she could get better at swallowing and moving food in her mouth.
Having these experts in their field really come into your home and support you is not just a blessing to your child, but to you as a parent, because you feel like you have a community of support and expertise guiding you through this time that you've never been through before. And it is just so supportive, not just like physically for Hollyn, but emotionally for us as a family. It just really makes us feel like we have the skills to respond to Hollyn and what she needs, and give us the confidence to know that we are doing what Hollyn needs and that she's getting the best care. So Hollyn was born with a condition called congenital lobar emphysema. She's just been behind on her milestones since she was born.
When we started, she wasn't having anything by mouth except for a little bit of milk through the bottle, and now we're up to purees, and she is enjoying them lots of different ways. We've been able to build in meal times for family where they get to enjoy feeding her.
She's only getting small amounts of food, but we're doing so much in that session time to get different oral motor experiences, whether it's sensory, muscle, just exposure, the eye-hand coordination of bringing something to her mouth, which she's getting awesome at. Just working on many different skills while we're just sitting right there in the high chair.
Just the growth she's made on a weekly basis is astounding. When family members come over and see her, they're like, last week she wasn't doing this. She wasn't rolling over last week. She wasn't babbling last week. And I can truly say that's because of the care from her therapists and the services she receives. We would not see that growth without it. Whenever you're inviting someone into your personal space, there's always a level of hesitation of, what does this look like? And are they gonna judge my family or my house? Is it clean enough? All those types of just wonderings and fears of, and is this gonna be beneficial to my child? And that was immediately erased the first time I met any of our service providers, because they were so warm and welcoming. There's no level of judgment. It's just true support and wanting what's best for your family. If you feel isolated, like no one in my family or no one in my friends or anyone in my circle knows how to support me, these are your people.